What up, E-Crew? Welcome back. We're in Pomona. We're doing the Pomona Walnut Ride on this Sunday afternoon. They used to do this a lot on Sunday mornings. I've always wanted to do it, but I'm preoccupied on Sunday morning. But now, they're doing a sunset ride. Thank God. So we could kind of scope out the area, look at new scenery, check that out. We have our Super73 S2, our good old Balto 2.0 steed. So we'll see what kind of content we get. I want to say there's maybe 30 to 40 folks today. It's going to be a little bit of a faster ride. Crystal isn't here. Yeah, this is a fast ride. Lots of surrons, lots of onyxes, lots of DIY bikes.
Oh yeah, that has to be.
Go mountain biking with us.
I know, I want to. I just started watching it because I didn't realize you were that guy on the E-Bike Adventures. I was trying to look for the Rumble. Those guys like, hey, Jerry, like Julian's like talking about Jerry this, Jerry that. I've never met a guy who sits with this bike so much, and then
see
the bike.
Because you hid that bike from the world, so I'm trying to show it. It's such a nice frame that you hid that bike. You know what I'm saying? Like, you had it for 30 minutes, I think.
You're like, oh, I can see why it's so big.
Yeah.
Like 7 feet long.
Yeah, you couldn't take it on the damn car. I mean, I know what you mean. All right, game time.
No crystal?
No crystal. Oh man, all those guys have ludicrous controllers.
I know.
I can't get my hands on those.
Video about you burning the...
Thank you for holding up traffic. Yeah, those ludicrous controllers are so rare. I can't get a hold of one. But all these guys have ludicrous controllers.
Parks that I've never been.
Yeah.
This is like out of the way.
Yeah, and if you stay at night with us, you'll see the Milky Way.
No, that's what I want to do. That's why I saw that. I was all up into this.
Yeah. All right, I'm gonna catch up because I'm a slow bike on today's ride. I'll try to stay in the middle. Yo, this is a fast ride, from what they said, 30 miles per hour ish. And this car is going slower than we are. Yeah, look at these guys. They got ludicrous controllers. Sweet. That's what I wanted to do with my ludicrous controller. Actually, put it on one of these scrambler bikes, because you don't need that much power in the. You don't need much power in the mountain bike trails. All right, Pomona. Let's get it. Man, Mark really got good on the wheelies. Who's this guy? I don't know who this guy is. Yo! Yeah, buddy. So far, Pomona is actually pretty empty. So far. Actually, we're on Mount Stack already. But so far, so good. We're in 40 miles per hour zone. But look at this bike. Very stealthy. Giant? It's a giant bike. He's on our ride today. Just like seeing different kinds of bikes for sure. There we go. 33, 34 miles per hour. Going a little bit of downhill. Alright, staying away from the main roads. Hopefully opens up a little bit here. This kind of reminds me of Chino Hills almost. Pretty nice open ways. What do you guys think of the Onyx City 2? Onyx City 2. It's like a real nice option. mountain bikers behind. Eddie and Charles keeping up with the group on a BBS HD. I think it's split into like 3 different groups right now because of all these stoplights. Sort of, kind of. I'm kind of glad Crystal didn't want to go to this ride. This is a fast ride, and I never want to take her to fast rides. We're flexing a super here. Lots of straightaways with, you know, open roads. We're at City of Walnut. One of the nice areas I actually want to also don't mind living at. I guess we're doing a stop here. Caught up with the other group. This first group got turned around a little bit. I mean, I guess second group got turned around a little bit. And yeah, Suzanne Park, City of Walnut. First restroom break, it probably looks like. The fast guys made it here. Uh-oh. Let's find a place to park. All right.
Morning, bud.
Yeah, I'm a leisure rider. Yeah.
Like you said, I'm comfortable in the back.
It's a different ride today. Yeah. How you hanging, man?
Good.
Like, how does the battery last on that?
I came here with 83, that's 79.
Oh, wow, you didn't even come full. Nice.
I didn't have enough time to charge it.
Oh, how light is that thing? It looks pretty light. Or, oh my gosh, that's light. I imagine it's a pretty penny for light bikes, you know? Pretty pricey. Damn, but under 40, that's awesome. All right, we're about rolling out on this surron-infested group ride. Look at that sunset, guys. Man, I just don't feel safe riding on the street. It's just not my cup of tea. Cake. We got a Cake electric motorbike here. It's probably the most expensive bike here. I think a Cake E-bike is like $15K, I think. We got a BBS02 keeping up just fine. Austin's dad. I actually don't know his name. I know him by Austin's dad. But Charles and Eddie, they've been gone. I haven't seen them in a while. We've lost them a good while. I'm surprised you're keeping up.
Oh, yeah.
You know, as much as people do this, like, I don't think this kind of riding is for Super 73s. I would definitely need like an Onyx or a Surron for this kind of riding style. Super 73s, though they look like cafe racers, obviously most everyone know that, you know, they're slow. They're not the fastest e-bikes out there, for sure. Fullerton Road? Are we in Rowland Heights? I have a feeling this is Rowland Heights. Yeah, I'm familiar with this place. The Boba Stop. I think we're still doing Boba Stop. Oh, what is that? A Grom? This looks like an electric Grom she's riding. Ooh, making our way in traffic. Rush hour traffic too. Yeah, I don't like this riding. We're pissing off people. Oof, tight. where are we heading, guys? For some people, going through traffic is fun. I could see the fun in it, you know? It's like saying the middle finger to the gas users, for sure. It's like a middle finger to the gas guzzlers. Yeah, I'm familiar with this place. I'm gonna text the guys, or we are, to get boba or to not get boba. I hear this place is real good. Did you guys order?
Yeah.
What'd you guys get?
I got long.
I got myself the jasmine green tea with thank you.
Damn, I'm considering, but I'm gonna have dinner, so.
It's the premium price.
Alrighty, thanks. Alright, I'm not getting boba, because I'm gonna have dinner tonight. Right after this ride. Here we go, here we go. Moving up. Moving on out of here. Open it up. Let's roll. Night riding, guys. I gotta get me one of those LAPEV hoodies. They're very fresh. Very good design behind that. Another lefties. I'm gonna be a little more quiet. Cause, I don't know, something about the street. I don't think I could talk and drive on like you can hear in my voice. I don't know, I'm a little more focused on the road. It's just so much things to look out for, you know? I'm not used to it. You know, I really like how short that Onyx is right there. And the things that he did to the wheels and stuff. Looks really fresh. And the lights. This cake motorbike is actually pretty loud. But look at the sprocket on that damn thing. That is the biggest sprocket, one of the biggest sprocket I've ever seen right there. Have my lights on it. I don't know how many tooth that is, but that's a large sprocket. But yeah, I've never seen cake motorbike in person. It's pretty loud. Don't speed wobble. Oh, you're scaring me, sir. Is that because of the tiny wheels? I've never seen an EUC speed wobble, or I don't know if he's doing it on purpose. It's like he's shaking things off. What's going on here, guys? Are they drag racing against a Tesla? That's not a race.
I should have joined that.
This isn't a race. What is this?
I know, I should have joined that too.
What are they doing? They're synchronizing? Alright, I think they're warming it up. They're warming up the tracks? Is that what they're doing? Alright, people are gonna line it up. Let me go get my Super73 on this drag race, guys. Here we go, we got a drone action here. We got people lining it up. Let's see who's gonna take the cake among a quick drag race.
1, 2, 3, go!
And the Tesla's following. There's the Fidos. Yeah, we've been spending maybe 25 minutes already around here. Alright, we took like almost an hour break here. People drag racing, people droning, people chatting it up, people exchanging numbers, all that good stuff. But that's going to be the ride, folks. I'm going to be, we're heading out. We're only 3.8 miles away from the parking spot. Thank you for tuning in on today's vlog. Stay tuned for more e-bike content. Like and subscribe, help out the channel. Additional discounts for your Super73, arielrider, or bafang mid-drive kits in the links below. This has been a cool semi-night ride. Stay safe and amazing out there. See you guys in the next ride. Peace. And they left me.